Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients for pickle rice. Use 2 cups cooked rice, cooled, ideally 1 day old for texture. Mix 3 tablespoons spicy pickle and 1 tablespoon oil to form the flavor base. Choose mango or mixed vegetable pickle. Use 1/4 cup roasted peanuts and 2 tablespoons curry leaves for crunch and aroma. Also prep 1 medium chopped onion, 1 green chili minced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and salt to taste before you begin cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons oil and temper 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida until seeds pop, then add a pinch of red chili flakes. Add 3 tablespoons spicy pickle and 1 cup chopped onions. Sauté 2 minutes until onions soften and oil separates from the pickle. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon sugar if needed. Then fold in roasted peanuts, curry leaves, and the cooled rice. Toss 2 cups cooked rice with pickle mix and 1 tablespoon lemon juice evenly. Serve pickle rice hot or warm. Serve hot with papad or yogurt, portion size about 1 cup per person as a main or 1/2 cup as a side. Garnish with extra roasted peanuts, fresh cilantro, or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Store leftovers in an airtight container up to 3 days at room temp or 7 days refrigerated, keeping oil separated by stirring before storing. To reheat, sprinkle 1 tablespoon water per cup and microwave 60 seconds or warm in a skillet until steaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.